Okay, this is a quick video review of the Powerhorse generator, Northern Tool cells. Let's see what this one's saying it is. A 2000 watt peak, and I think it's a 1600 running watt. Anyhow, I bought this to run my tire warmers at the track, and I've ran it once, and just under 8 hours running my tire warmers. There's Suzuka ones, some old ones that I acquired, and I ran it on just under a gallon of gas, about an 8-hour day. So I'm pretty happy about that. So I'm just going to do a little quick review here. It's got the on to vent the gas tank here. It's got the economy mode. I'm going to start it with the economy mode off. This is an off mode. I'm going to turn it to choke. Now this has been pretty easy starting. It's been a couple weeks since I've started it last. So let's see here. Sorry about that. Well, one pull. Now that's at full throttle. And now I'm going to come here and turn it on the economy throttle. And it throttles up a little bit as my warmers kick on and off. There you go. Powerhorse. By the way, it came with its parallel cables. I intend on picking up another unit later on. My house is total electric, and I might need that extra wattage for running a few things if I lose power, especially in the winter time. But anyway, it's been good so far. I just haven't seen any video reviews out there about it, so there you go.